Hey guys and girls, Wildling Prepper here, back out on another camp, and as you may notice, I've got a tarp tent set up. Now I don't know if you kind of know how to make a tarp tent, but most people use a 3x3 meter. This is a 4.5 by 3, and the reason why, if you saw in the video, I folded it over, it creates like an underlayer, like a base layer, and it just stops you from being on grass and all that stuff. So yeah, piece of advice, if you want to do a tarp tent, honestly try it with the 4.5 by 3. Now, as you may notice, it's pretty dull at the moment. I only managed to get out quite late today. I actually drove here and realised after driving here I forgot my phone, so I had to drive all the way back and then come back again. And yeah, unfortunately I didn't get here as early as I wanted to, but it's going pretty dark now. Camera seems to brighten it up, but it's actually darker than it looks. As you can tell, I'm in a new spot. If you're a subscriber of mine or seen any of my other videos, I just decided to go to a different forest today and just check it out. So I'm not going to do any bushcraft or anything. I'm just going to get a fire going and do some nice cooking. So much good firewood around here, it's awesome. Well guys, I've managed to get quite a bit of wood now. Probably not enough for tonight, but it'll do for the first like few hours and stuff. Got some unprocessed wood here as well that I can play with whilst the fire is cooking away. But firstly, before I get the fire going, I'm going to go to a stream just down there, and I'm going to fill this up and filter it with my soya filter, because I need quite a bit of water for tonight because I'm boiling potatoes and carrots and stuff, and also I could do with a brew. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some water, and you guys can come along if you want. Walking through the woods at night, sometimes when you don't know the area very well, isn't a great idea, but I just kind of followed a straight line because I knew that there is a river here somewhere, and I'm starting to hear it now. So pretty much if I go straight back, I should find camp again. Ugh. Here we are. Hey, look at that. That should be enough. I'm not 100% how much this bag holds. 64 ounces going into this. So that should be plenty of water for me tonight. Let's go back. Well guys, it's come to that time now where I'm ready to get a fire going, and just like last time and pretty much every time now when I come, I'm going to use silver birch, do some scrapings, and yeah, this fire should be good to go in seconds. There we go. That's enough. One little spark on that, and that's going up. I'll just use some of these thin slices, break them off, stick them on top, and then start putting small twigs on. So here we go. Well, took longer than usual. So this here, this is my new cooking set. It's actually really cool. I think it cost me like £20 on Amazon. I really kind of like these type of things, you know, the nice little gimmicks, if you want to call it that. But I've never had like a cooking set like this before coming camping, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna have to use this. But I was gonna filter this water, but I don't really think I need to be fair. It looks quite clean. As you can see, look at it. That's very clean. Yeah, I don't need to worry about that. Plus I'll be boiling it, so it'll kill off any bacteria. So I got some of these Nescafe Originals 3-in-1. I'm going to stick 2 in there just because it's such a big mug. Well guys and girls, the fire is going absolutely beautiful, and I've just literally spent like the last 3/4 of an hour stacking a load of firewood, so that should last me most of the night. Maybe I might need to get some more later on, depends on what time I go to sleep. But I've got to that stage now where beer o'clock. Yeah boy, I love it. It's so relaxing. The wind started to pick up a little bit, which I don't mind because it's creating like a nice warm breeze from the fire. It's absolutely awesome really. And yeah, I'm starting to settle down a little bit now. You know, it's getting to that chill zone where I can just relax, enjoy the fire, you know, and just have a few beers and stuff. But I'm gonna let this fire die down a bit, and then I'm gonna cook my meal tonight, which, to be fair, in all my times camping, this is probably like the most I'd say the most extreme meal I've ever cooked in the woods. It's not like a big deal or anything. A lot of people cook this sort of stuff, but yeah, for me, usually I bring very simple things like, you know, either burgers or sausage or bacon, you know, and I just have like a bacon sandwich or something. So for me this is quite a big achievement. So I'm gonna sit here, enjoy this beer, let this fire die down, and then we're gonna cook this meal. Cheers boys. Well, guys and girls, I'm inside the Tarp Tent now, and I thought I'd come in here to prep my food, plain and simply because it's very smoky, that fire, and also it's just a better atmosphere to prep food in. So, very healthy meal today. I've got some broccoli, which I'm just going to put in the pan because I don't need to do anything with them except boil them. 2 large carrots. Now, I'm going to say this. I love my girlfriend very, very much, right? And I said that on this video I will tell everybody how much I love her. So, I love you, babe. But we had a debate. She let me take the rubbish grater, peeler, sorry. She said she doesn't trust me with the good one, so I have the bad one today. Thanks, babe, I love you. So, just gonna grate some carrots. Tell you what, this is really weird for me because I don't usually do this sort of stuff when I come out camping. Like I said earlier on, it's just normally simple things like burgers and stuff. Chop these carrots up. As you can tell, I'm a professional chef. Oh, this knife is really crap for cutting vegetables anyway. I think it's too thick. Anyway, I brought 2 carrots, but probably only need one big one. So I gotta get some potatoes in here as well, so yeah, I got 3 potatoes. And all this excess food, all this shavings and stuff, I will throw them in the woods somewhere, and some badger or some fox or whatever will have a really nice meal. Okay, so that is all the vegetables prepped. Put some water in. And a little bit of salt. And that should be good to go. Okay. That's pretty good. Well, the potatoes and broccoli and carrots are doing very well, and I think now I'm going to put the pork on. So this is the Chinese pork. Hopefully we'll get a sizzle. starting to cook nicely then. So one thing I regret about tonight is didn't bring no gloves, but it doesn't really bother me. I actually went to the stream earlier on just to wash my hands and stuff, so pretty clean. Well, boys and girls, these are looking quite cooked now. Look at that. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh yeah, they're well and truly done. Some of these carrots, oh, lost one. Some of these carrots in there. Carrots are like awesome. I love carrots. Should have made myself some gravy, shouldn't I? This would have been awesome with gravy. There you have it, boys and girls. Nice pork, some broccoli, potatoes and carrots. Awesome. Well guys, so far I've had an amazing night. Stoked the fire up. It's got some nice chunky logs on there, all hardwood, you know, so it's nice burn. And yeah, just been really enjoying tonight. I won't lie, when I first came here, because of the things that messed me around, like having to go back home and stuff to get my phone, kind of ruined my night at the start, because I wanted to get more filming in the daylight. But yeah, it's turned out really nice actually. I've enjoyed it. I had a good meal, had some beers and enjoyed the fire. It's been awesome. Just checked on my phone though, and it is meant to rain now, and it's meant to rain all night. Now before I came here it was only meant to rain in the morning, but according to the weatherman it's meant to rain all night now. So I haven't actually felt any raindrops or anything yet, but I'm expecting it. Oh my god, you would have to blow in my face right now, wouldn't you? So that's why I'm making this now, just in case. But yeah, I think I'm just going to chill out by the fire now, and if it does start raining I'll go in the tent and I'll chill out in there for a bit. Well guys, the rain started, so I think I'm going to go into the tent now. Well guys, I'm in my tent, and yeah, the rain is kind of like on and off, but I decided like it's now about 1:30 in the morning, so I'm going to try and get some sleep. But this fire, wow, it's warming up the tent from here. I'll show you in a second like the view I've got, but it's so awesome. And yeah, I feel toasty warm in here. That's why I'm not in my bivvy or anything, just because like I just feel so hot. But yeah guys, I think what I'll do now is watch some stuff on my phone, chill out in the tent, and yeah, probably see you guys in the morning. So this is the view from the Tarp Tent. It's absolutely amazing. I'm so toasty warm. You won't believe how much heat that fire is giving off. From here, literally, I am so warm. I don't even want to go in my sleeping bag. But yeah, I'm quite sure like in the middle of the night I'll probably go in it, but for now I'm just going to stay on the outside and enjoy this moment. Good morning people, it's a nice wet morning. Yeah, it was chucking it down all night last night. It was quite nice actually, I enjoyed it. But now I'm just not looking forward to it because I got to pack all this stuff up. And yeah, I just do not want to be packing up wet shit. Well guys, that's me all packed up now. thankfully the rain has stopped now, so yeah, it was a lot better packing all my stuff together. But I've cleared up all my rubbish, got that in my food bag, and yeah, just sorted out the fire pit as you saw. So yeah guys, I think I'm going to call this the end of the video now. So if you made it this far, thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy this content, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.